Welcome to the Scale Speed Builder. The fingering is given to help you, and you'll see the metronome mark in the top left-hand corner. You'll hear a 1-bar pulse before each repetition, and the pulse will increase gradually from crotchet 36 beats per minute to minim 88 beats per minute. The target speeds from foundation to grade 8 are indicated when you get there, but don't worry about keeping up, especially when you first start. It will take about 2 minutes to work through the entire video, and you can use these as warm-ups or as part of your daily practice. Make a note of the speed you reach in your practice notebook and take your time to build up the speed. It's not a race. Aim for accuracy and precision. You can use the tracks to practice left hand or right hand alone, play legato, staccato, and add diminuendos and crescendos. The track is just a speed guide to help you. Think creatively when you're playing. Imagine each exercise as a piece of music in its own right that you have to communicate in an expressive way to the audience. Enjoy your scales and have fun practicing. Press pause now, and when you're ready, press play and off you go. Well done! How did you get on? Remember to record your progress, and don't worry if you didn't keep up, it will all come with a little more practice. If you haven't already joined, click the like and subscribe, and remember to click the bell icon so that you don't miss the latest updates. If you're a beginner, check out the Beginner's Piano series, and in the meantime, happy playing!